In this video, you will learn how to whitelist FlyWP on Hosting Firewall in 2 methods. Let's start with the first method. To whitelist the FlyWP central server in your cloud hosting provider, simply log into your hosting provider's dashboard. Then navigate to the settings page, go to the security section, and follow the steps to create a new firewall rule and save the rule as shown. In our case, we created a firewall rule in DigitalOcean. Just keep in mind that the steps might look a little different depending on your hosting provider, but the process is generally the same. If you are not familiar so much with your hosting provider's panel, you can set this inside FlyWP as well. Let's have a quick look at this. First, log into your FlyWP dashboard. Then click on the server from that you want to create a firewall rule. Now click on Firewall from the left-hand menu, then click on the Add New Rule button at the top right corner. Write a suitable name that you understand to manage this need. Enter 22 in the port field and the IP address here. Choose Allow, but keep in mind, Allow means you can access your servers using the specified IP and ports on FlyWP, while you select Deny, which means any requests from the specified IP and ports will be blocked from accessing your servers on FlyWP. Finally, click on the Add button and it's added. Now, if you want to delete this, then click on the Delete button and type Delete, and that's it. You have successfully created a firewall rule in FlyWP. Remember, you can always update or delete these rules as needed to ensure the best security practices for your server. For more details and step-by-step guidance, feel free to check out our documentation page. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.